What's up, adventurers? Today we're going to be checking out the Nomatic Navigator pack. In most of my reviews, I'm checking out the bag for the very first time and discovering the features along with you. This bag I started using already, so you're going to see a little wear on it and might have some accessories in there already. This is a 15-liter bag, and I was looking for something more for my day-to-day carry, for just going to meetings, just carrying around some of the essentials. And I'm finding that I really love this size. It has a rigid structure, so there's nothing in here but holds its shape. There are handles on 3 sides of the bag, at the top, and 2 sides. They are hefty handles so that you can carry it like a briefcase and not worry about it. The straps are nice and cushioned. I've had this bag full and it's still comfortable. There's an adjustable sternum strap as well as a pass-through for your luggage. And the back has some cushion, which is nice. On the front, there's a small zippered pocket, which I have a bunch of stuff in. It is a felt-lined pocket that goes about here. And I just carry all the things I want easy access to in there. On one side, there's a zipper that pops out a water bottle holder. I really like this design. The water bottle holder has held my bottles nice and securely, but when I'm not carrying it, I can tuck it away and it cleans up those lines. I haven't tried carrying a tripod in this water bottle holder just because it seems like it would be a little too short. But again, I'm not going to be using this when I'm carrying my camera gear as much, really when I'm traveling pretty light. It also does expand just a bit. So you can see here, it gives you a little extra space in the interior pocket and actually changes it from a 15-liter bag to a 20-liter bag. I haven't had to use the expansion yet, but it's nice to know that I have that option. On the back side, there's a large area for your laptop. It opens very large on one side, almost 3/4 of the way down, and only 1/4 of the way on the other side. This way you can access your laptop either from the side like this, or from the top, how I normally access it. Let's take a look inside. I love how big this bag opens up. Comes with a little hinge thingy here so that it does open large, but things won't just spill out of the bag. And on the inside, there is a small zippered pocket on the front side. And there's some organization on the back as well. There are 2 elastic mesh pockets on the top and 2 non-elastic mesh pockets on the bottom. The one issue I ran into is if I had anything bulky in this top one, for example, it would kind of block access to the bottom mesh pocket and it would make it harder to access that. So a little tiny pass-through here in this corner. Hi. That goes to the laptop section so that if you have a battery pack that can charge your laptop, you can put the battery pack here in the mesh pocket and pass the cable through. Simple, elegant, has some great organization in it. Again, I've been loving this size, using it day to day, but when I am carrying more camera gear, I switch over to a larger bag that is more dedicated to camera stuff. I'm going to link to this below if you want to pick it up or check out any of the details. And if you have any questions about the bag or other bags you want me to check out, let me know in the comments below. Thanks and happy adventuring.